So first, I start with the speech directly, or you want to just with the intro? Okay, so I'll start with the speech. So, hello, friends. I am today here because of the opportunity given by the successive to me, and I'm going to be the speaker for the ST Talk session. And I just want to explain about the power of building relationship. So I think you people were thinking like why we I am presenting this one in front of you. So I just tell you everything, and there is no theory, there is no philosophy, just the practical thing I will explain. I will tell you. I share my experience. This I have experience in the 11 years of experience into IT1. So people, it's like we know the relationship is very very important, whether it's personal or it's a professional one. But if we talk about our career being the part of the IT world, so the building relationship with the client is very very important because we are the part of the service industry, we serve the client, so building relationship with the client is very much important for all of us. I just tell you the instance. It's long back when I was a kind of a fresher with 3 years of experience, I'll say. So I was not much experienced. I was working as a team member. I started my journey as a quality assurance engineer. So one day my manager came to me and told, Ruchi, are you interested in working one of the project where you have to work as an individual contributor? I was thinking, I heard this term somewhere long back. What is this individual contributor? So then he said, are you I mean getting the meaning of individual contributor means your roles and responsibility, because so far you have worked as a team player. I said, I know the individual contributor, but how the process would be? I mean, who will be approving the matrices and all, and to whom I have to share the daily status, whether it's the manager to whom I was doing till now or client. So my manager, he just smiled and said, okay, we'll have a small session on that. I'll just explain you everything. He said, Ruchi, client will directly interact with you on the daily basis. You have to work directly with him, try to understand the business in the sense what's his expectation from you, from us. Because when somebody will come to you with some expectation, so he must have some faith on you. So you have to prove yourself, you have to prove us over there. I said, okay. There is a one developer, he or she will be working with you as a team. You both will work, and the client, you will be interacting on the daily basis. Based on your experience so far, you can prepare all the documents in the sense process document, test matrices, scenarios, each and everything which you feel could be the part. Just do it. You are free to do. You are the decision maker. There you will learn to know what is the stakeholder management, because you are interacting with your client and he has a very good stake in the business. You need to understand the requirement, analyze that, then explain to the developer. He will develop, you have to test it with all the process, and then you have to demonstrate to the client, to the end users in the sense the user going to use this one. I said fine. I started working. I started working as per the guidelines, and gradually I learned a lot of things, like doing the things at your own, and you are the decision maker. Lot many words I heard it. It was very much fascinating to me. Oh, stakeholder management, individual contributor, client facing, and blah blah blah. People used to say, I used to hear, but now I'm doing it my own. So that's the practical one I was doing. It's a practical experience, and it was fantastic journey in that one. So at last my manager, after like a 4 or 5 months of the work, my manager told me it was a fantastic journey and we delivered a very good, and outcome is nice, client is very much happy. I received the feedback. So Ruchi, just a formal talk we are doing. So what you have learned so far? I said, uh, yes, I enjoyed too. First, I will say this. And second is thank you so much to offering me this opportunity and seeing the potential in me. I said I was like very much happy actually. And then the client feedback, oh my God, the client has given me feedback for me. That's the first time. And I think that is 2010. I read it also because it's in the mail. So it has gone to the leadership team. So now he explained me, my manager explained me, Ruchi, see, team player, individual contributor, then lead, manager. So likewise, there is a ladder. Lot many milestones are there, and you have to decide up to a certain level. You want to go either in a technical direction or a management way. Okay, I said technical direction might not interested to me. What I will prefer, I just want to go for the management side because I like the business analysis part. I have done it, stakeholder management and requirement analysis, process management. So, and understanding of the domain and importance of all this actually, and how this increase the revenue. Revenue, it's very much important. So all these terms I just read it properly, I used to hear, now I'm working, and that's the practical experience for me. It was very delighting and it's very good. So it has boosted my spirit, and it was like I was feeling I should go as a business analyst, including the quality and managing the product also. That's what I decided. And in the same organization, in the various project, I got this opportunity. And thanks to the organization, to my managers and everybody with whom I work, they had shown faith in me, and they have seen the potential in me, given me the opportunities. I learned also. But uh, the career is a road. Sometime it could be smooth, but not all the time. But it's very good for you also. If it is not smooth one, then you can walk with all your experiences, and you learn, and there is a journey which you form, and you can tell. That's why I'm here. I'm telling you my journey. I'm sharing my experience with you all. So now again come to the point, what is the power of building relationship? So again, I build the relationship with client. That's why I got appreciation. My work got recognized in my organization. I got multiple opportunities. Definitely appraisal will come, because if your company will succeed, definitely you will also get the success in terms of promotion, in terms of good opportunities, on-site opportunities, and appraisal. Definitely it will come. It will come. And we also want that. It's a important part too. I do understand. I do agree that. Again, so in next organization, again I have received the role, and I can say the time experience for around 6 years, 6.5 years of experience. The scenario was bit different over here. Opportunity which I received is again the stakeholder management, but the stakeholder is not just a client, basically a developer. And I need to manage the process quality wise, scrum ceremonies, and quality assurance I have to manage. And moreover, like, yes, understand the business also. Okay. And there is a challenge. What I heard is it is a small duration project and not much technical expertise was required. So in normal chip chat with your colleague or within the organization, when you are talking over a lunch, over a tea, people will ask you in which project you are working. And I said it's a e-learning based project, and this is the client, a US client, of course. And then he asked me, some person, because I remember the instance, okay, do some editing and proofreading. And he said, Ruchi, do you think you can utilize all your skills over here? Will it be a value add on? I said, might be not, but see, one thing I heard so far, nothing is small. And when you work with full consistency, with full confidence, just keep walking. So definitely the reward of small things will be the big one. The same thing happened also. Initially, I received the feedback because I always open for the feedback. I used to say even here as well. So client told me, like, because she wanted something different, so she explained me. Initially the feedback was not that great basically. Then what I decided is, the way I used to do, I will be consistent with my work, with full diligence I will do. I will try to understand the perspective of my client, because my manager came to me, client is talking to me, definitely there is some pain area, some problem areas are there. I need to, I started spending some time, putting some extra effort. I just try to figure out what all the pain areas she's facing and try to understand his or her expectation also, because they are two-person, so I'm using his and her both. But her is a, there is a lady client I used to interact with her most, and feedback was given by her only. So I said okay. Then I started delivering around the expectation, and gradually I found like she is happy with the work. And the delivery after a 1 month, it was awesome. And then she has written a mail to my manager, it has gone to the leadership of my organization. Then my manager told me like she's very much happy in the sense, Ruchi, she has given two more projects. Then I was, oh my god, like definitely like it's a feather, another feather in my cap, I can say. Just not she was pleased, she has given multiple project also, so which has increased the revenue is very much important. I'm not going to discuss over here. For that, if you people like this session and want, I can give the another one also. That was awesome. Like I got multiple project, team size has increased also. But challenges were not just stopped. That's the other funda. Always ready to accept the challenges. Again, I said it, this is, there is a small there is a straight road, friends, but it will never ending. Then only you can grow up in the ladder, and it will be a value addition to your career also, to your personality also. Again, the power of relationship come into the picture, because she was very much happy. She was spending time with me, she has given me the chance to improve also, and she has given a numerous project for me also. Team size has increased, we have received a lot of work also, we were in a good books of the organization, of the client, and everywhere. That's fine. But again, there is another challenge for other project for the same client. The point of contact was a VP of the company, and he was very tough guy. Tough in the sense, definitely some clients are not easy to handle and not very friendly, which happens because we all are human. But we have to do the stakeholder management. That's why we are here. But tough in the sense, some of my colleagues work with him, and they said he never smiles. If you've seen some video conferences, so his looks are so strict, and it's very difficult to interact with him. I said okay, fine. See, if you have to work and you have to, there is no other choice. I said okay, fine, I will. I started taking up the call. Initially it was just daily stand-ups. So I have seen, yes, like he was very very tough guy. And yeah, he never smiled too, but that's okay because I just started. I can't expect so much from him. Then one day I asked him, whatever the work I have shown you, did you find it useful? Does it make sense to you? Then he said, I need some more complex scenario. Work is good, but I need some more complex scenarios out of that, which will fulfill my business. Or actually, I just want to know, just think from the perspective of the end user, because we need to sell the product in the market. We are just, in B2B, business to business, we are doing. It's not B2C. So when I am going to present this one in front of the end user, the user actually going to use this one. So I just want you to understand like how that user will think. So can you write something around that? I said okay, I will. I have written some of stuff based on his feedback. I just started sharing with him also gradually. So what happened, he started spending extra time with me. He used to understand, he tried to answer all my queries. If he didn't have the answer, he'll just spend some time and he'll get back to me. So gradually the scenario was, if I was speaking in some of the sessions, grooming session, or any of the calls and discussion, the everyone from the client and used to hear, used to give the importance. If Ruchi is saying something, definitely we have missed something or we need to build around that. It has again given me the confidence. So consistency, confidence, power of building relationship. Just try to figure out the pain area, try to keep walking in the shoes of your client, because he or she is feeling some pain somewhere or some problem areas. That's why we are here. So some work needs to be get done by us only. So that thing I was just keep doing. And again, one day it's like, I have seen also, it's funny, but I'm saying, there was a video call and he was smiling. I just said, I am not going to just name him. I just said, this scenario is like this, does it make sense to you? I was tested over there doing all these datas, and I found this. Then he just smiled. No, no, Ruchi, it's perfectly okay. Then I just realized, okay, he was smiling too. So it was like a joke. Later on, I just shared with my team also. He smiled with me too. So I can crack a difficult client also. So here is like people were very happy and amazed too at the time. And I was also very happy, and my confidence was boost up because see, when you broken the ice with the customer, and when you made a very good relation in terms like your business or your work is being appreciated, and it's written in mail everywhere, and you are getting extra parties, not just a parties, basically performance also. And everywhere like you can listen, okay, there is a lead over there in one project, and she has done such a wonderful job. Like we have received lot many projects, the team size has increased, and she has handled very gracefully. So it's like, people started asking, like, how you have done it. They used to come to you, and they're like, I've started giving the trainings also. I've started mentoring the people on like a stakeholder management, people management, mentoring, grooming, and everything. And it was very nice. That's why I like this one. And I thought of giving this session here in the successive also to just share this, so the people will learn if they really want to. I would be very much happy, at least if 1% of audience will really follow this one. You people can come to me anytime. I will be very happy to mentor you to just share the things, or if you want any hand holding, I would be very pleased in that one because I like. So the last, I just want to sum up my session. Just last pointers I would say: keep walking in the shoes of your client. Building relationship is very very important with your customer. Always show the work with the full confidence, do with full confidence, stay focused on your work, and show consistency. Always ready to accept the challenges. So there is a famous saying, basically, I think you have felt it personally also, but I believe is, you can get everything in your life which you want if you help others enough in getting what they want. So that's the basic funda. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for listening. Hope you liked the session. Thank you so much. Gulin is there. Okay. YouTube. Okay. I can just put something. Just hold. I'll do it right away so you can check whether it looks. Yeah. Plain background. Okay. Okay. Plain background would be just, I think, the wall and surroundings would be there. Okay, I just do one thing, just see whether it works or not for you. I just give me a minute. Okay, I put some stool over a table and then see if it'll make a proper height or not. Okay. Is this now okay? Hi, Akriti, can you hear me? Okay. I will try. See, this way you are saying? Okay, now is this okay? Like this? Okay. So tomorrow, anyway, we are going to join 10 minutes earlier. I'll do all this and you can just check if it looks good, right? Sure. Okay, fine. Sure, sure. So my looks, okay, so sure, sure. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so Gurleen, yeah, you please tell me. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Gurleen, actually, Akriti, I didn't get the last line basically, what he said. Yeah. Okay, so if I understood correctly, he was saying like it should be more professional dressing wise, right? Yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely that will be there. Yeah, true. Yeah, true, true. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure, 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 sure. Okay, apart from that, Akriti, Manish, Gurleen, like for everyone, so my video and my voice, did you feel any disturbance or any kind of like, was I audible enough? Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Is it? Okay. Sure. Okay. Fine. Definitely. Sure, sure, sure. Sure. Okay. Thank you. Sure, sure. Thank you so much. Thanks, everyone. Yeah. Yeah. Bye.